very good morning to you all children. I hope you are safe and fine at home. So children, in the last video session, we have seen about the story of Blake and the boy. Okay, and we have seen that Blake is a crow, that is black crow, and there was a boy who helped Blake to fly in the sky, isn't it? So children, based on that story, we are going to solve the worksheet story flow. Okay, you have it in your book like this, isn't it? This is your book and you have it in your book like this, story flow. Okay, it is next to the story, that after finishing the story you have this worksheet, that is worksheet number 1. Okay, that means story flow, isn't it? Now, before we start this worksheet, I just want you to know that we are also going to study today high frequency words. Okay, always I have explained to you all children that what are high frequency words. High frequency words are the words which we use frequently, okay, while speaking. Okay, every time I have told you that जब भी आप बहुत ज़्यादा बात करते हो, okay, तो you use these words, highly use these words when you speak or converse with your relative, friends, neighbors, okay. So that is why these are called high frequency words. Okay, so in our list today we are going to learn these many words, and based on this even we are going to do a creative activity, okay, which you will love very much. So first word is fly, F-L-Y, fly. Okay, then next one, O-L-D, old, P-L-A-C-E, place. Then N-A-M-E, name. O-U-R-R, O-N-E-1. So children, this was another set of high frequency words which you use daily. For example, fly, like the birds are flying in the sky, isn't it? Then old, that is an old dress, isn't it? Then place, I like that place is very beautiful, isn't it? Then name, my name is, isn't it? Nazish, like this. Then this is our home, okay. And then like one, I know how to read number 1, O-N-E-1. This is just an example, like how you can use these words while speaking, and you basically you use these words, isn't it? Old you can use, place, name, isn't it? Like what is your name? Even you can ask if there is new person to you. So you basically you ask them that what is your name, isn't it? From which place are you? So these are nothing but frequently we use in this. So children, let us see the worksheet, a creative worksheet for story flow as well, okay, which is related to Blake and the boy story, okay. And also we are going to do a also creative worksheet for high frequency words, okay children. So let us see now. So children, this is your worksheet, okay, like mile 10 worksheet 1, okay, story flow, isn't it? Story flow means how is the story going on, like how is the story happening, okay, what happened first, then second, then third, then finally what happened. So what are we going to do in this worksheet is, like I'll read the question for you all. Draw or, okay, write, that means you are going to draw, okay, you are going to draw, or you can write as well, okay, that what happens in every part of the story, okay. So this story flow is related to this, okay, boxes, and you have to read the story once again, Blake and the boy, and you have to make out that what happens first, then what happened next, and what happens then, and what happens finally. You are going to draw or write, okay, and you are going to take these points from Blake and the boy, the story Blake and the boy. Now in the first, like if I will write it down, as my drawing is not good, I'll just write it down, okay, like Blake was a black colored bird who had clipped wings. Due to that, Blake or he could not fly high up in the sky. Okay, then even you can write it that he used to observe his friends. Okay, you can write it, he used to observe his flock flying in the air. Okay, so this was the thing which happened first. Like what happened in the next paragraph. Okay, and then the next, and then the next. If you wish to draw, if you are very creative, if you wish to draw also, children, you can do it. But remember, in the question itself they have told us that you are only going to draw, no coloring, no coloring the picture. If you are drawing, no coloring the picture. Try to learn, okay, to do as they have told in the question. And in the question they have told us to draw, or else we can, if we find convenient to write, we can write it down. I am mentioning again, if you are drawing, you are not going to color those picture. Okay, so this was the worksheet for your story flow. Okay, now let us see the worksheet for high frequency words as well. Like it will be next to this. So children, this is your mile 11, okay, worksheet 1. Alright, read, that means you are going to read the word first, okay, and then write. Then you are going to write it and color. Okay, you are going to color it. I'll read the question for you now. Read the word. Okay, here they have in the column read, write and colored word. They have already given us. Isn't it? They have already given us. So first read the word. We are going to read these words which they have given here. Okay. And then write the word with a pencil. Here they have given blank over here. Okay. You can see. Isn't it? And then you are going to write. First read it and then write these words over here. For example. Okay. F-L-Y. Fly. Isn't it? P-L-A-C-E, place. O-L-D, old. N-A-M-E, name. O-U-R, R. O-N-E, one. Isn't it? So what we have done, we have first read these words, okay, and then after reading we are following the question here. We have written these words with pencil and then use a crayon to write the word. Okay, so I did not have crayon, so I am using the sketch pen here. Okay, you can use a crayon. Okay, I was having available of this sketch pen, so I am using it the sketch pen. You are going to use crayon because you children are having it. Okay, any color crayon. Okay, any color crayon. You can use any color crayon. Okay, any color crayon to write the word of your choice. Now, for example, again read the word F-L-Y, fly. I have written the word with pencil like the instructions, and then I am going to write the same word with color like F-L-Y, fly. Okay, then P-L-A-C-E, place. Then O-L-D, old. Then N-A-M-E, name. O-U-R, R. Then O-N-E, one. So children, it looks very neatly. You write it very neatly, okay, and correctly. Whenever you are writing these words, please read and write. Okay, so that you will be able to pronounce these words very carefully. and correctly, like FLY, fly. Just repeat the alphabets, okay, and then you can read the word. Okay, children? So this was both the worksheets which you can do it. Okay? So children, we have seen both the worksheets, okay, like story flow, and also worksheet for like high frequency words, okay. Try repeating with the alphabets itself, okay, so that you will be able to pronounce the words carefully. So children, for the next session, we'll learn something new. So this is up for today, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, take good care of yourselves. Thank you.